Hello, Pete here from DigiOz Multimedia again, and in this video I will demonstrate how to add Git source control to your existing Eclipse Android project. So to begin, I will right-click on the Package Explorer and choose New Android Application Project. I'm gonna enter the standard Hello World. And I'm just gonna change this namespace here to DigiOz so it makes a little more sense and hit next. Here the default values are fine, so next. And if you wish to add a new icon, you're welcome to browse and grab a new icon, then hit next. The blank activity is fine. We'll hit next again, and main activity is more than good, then we're done. So we'll hit finish to create a new project. So as you can see, this is our new project, and yes, it will compile and run. And so now what we want to do is, assuming that you've installed the Git Source Control plugin, also known as eGit, you'll have a menu option called Team, from which you can share a project to add a source control to. If you don't have eGit plugin installed, go and view the previous video that I've created on how to install eGit. So here we will right click on the project folder, go to Team, Share Project. Check this option that says Use or Create Repository in Parent Folder of Project. And if you try to check this, it will tell you it is not recommended to create the repository in the same folder. So we'll just create it by hitting this button right here, Create Repository, and hit Finish. So it may take a few seconds for things to refresh, but when it does refresh, you will see this Hello World no head up here. So the next thing we need to do is to make sure that we add the index so that all the files in the project get source control. If you notice right now, they all have a question mark next to them, so that means they haven't been indexed. So we'll go to Team and click on Add to Index to index everything. And so we're pretty much done here. The only other option is we want to right click on the bin folder, go under Team and add an ignore for this folder. Just because we don't want, we may share this repository remotely, and we don't want the bin and the gen folders to be tracked. So here we should see a .ignore file. If you don't, then you have to enable the filter that allows you to do that. So to make a long story short here, you will get a git ignore file here in your directory, which you can then edit. And if you open it, there's already a line called /bin added here. Go ahead and add a /gen line to this file in order to hide the gen folder also. And you can close the file, and you are now done and ready to do some changes. I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to subscribe for future videos.